Cookie butter and short. Cheers. Say what's up, say what's up. Pork belly too. Hoi. Marvin. Say what's up, Sean. I got the mushroom Angus burger. What's that? Oh, sauce? What's up, guys? We are at the Ward Center about to eat at PESO Honolulu. Just walking through the old abandoned halls of Ward around the snow. Oh, that's cool. Just waiting for my cousins to come now. They moved us outside. Ooh, thank you. Red horse. It tastes like a Mickey.
Yes, malt liquor.
I heard it's stronger though.
It's 4cc, then solid good, family rice. I might ask for an extra bowl of rice.
What the adobo sauce on the side?
Adobo?
Go. Oh.
Please me, baby. Going on, please me, baby.
Spaghetti, what?
Oh.
I don't know.
No, do it. Lechon kawali, Hawaii prawns, kare. Fancy Filipino food.
Have some rice. Rice is life.
Get your...
Ooh, about to get some pho. We're getting number 13. We are at... Oh, it's messed up. CUU LONG in Prokai. What's up, guys? It is Friday. We are in Prokai at CUU LONG pho restaurant. About to get some pho. Best pho place. This place is nice over here. We're in Prokai.
And they have one in, I think they have a CUU LONG in downtown.
Yeah. I guess I'm gonna get that 13th. Fried spring rolls here. Oh yeah. That's good. Nothing too special. Tastes like Shanghai lumpia. You know Filipino Shanghai lumpia? Ooh, fatty brisket pho. Meatball pho. Oh yeah, nothing too crazy. Let's try the broth. Ooh, nice and clean tasting. Oh, that's good. Especially because I'm a little sick. Oh, the noodles are good. It has a little bounce to it. Let's try the fatty brisket. That just melted in my mouth. 2 hammer chocolates, guys. Check it out. We're now at Pearlridge, about to get some dessert at the Foodie Feastival. There's so much food here. Come check this place out, guys.
Thank you. And this is milk chocolate and shortcake, right?
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
How is it?
It's fresh.
It's good? Ooh. Cookie butter and shortcake. No, that's cookie butter and Oreos. This is milk chocolate and shortcake. It's pretty noisy here, guys. I'm just gonna voice over this. Oh, the strawberries are sweet. The cookie butter is good too.
I don't like strawberry shortcake.
Is it good? How's the strawberry topping? Shortcake. Oh, that's good. Yeah, get the dip cup, guys. It's a cup filled with either milk chocolate or cookie butter, and it's filled with strawberries. Yeah. Oh, that's so good.
I don't know, I gave you $10. It was $8.16.
The strawberry is so sweet.
I gave you $10, but it was
The shortcake is so good too.